Hi, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to sign up for the airdrop. So all you need to do is just click sign up for the airdrop, and as you can see you have two options. Here you can choose that you don't have a wallet address, and here you can choose that you already have a Binance Smart Chain wallet address. I'm going to be explaining how to do this one. So here we need to put in our email, and put in our BST wallet address, and after that all you need to do is click sign up, and as you can see I have successfully signed up for the airdrop, and the airdrop will be available at the BST network.